Hi, my name is Heart, and I am having a mental breakdown. That was a joke, okay? I'm not having a mental breakdown, but hi, hello, my name is Heart, and if this is your first time watching one of my videos, I promise I'm not always this crazy, okay? So you read it, okay? You read the title, let's just get down right to it. I'm gonna cut my hair and give me some bangs. Just to be real with you guys, I've been wanting bangs since the beginning of this year. I've just been contemplating it so much, and I just never pulled the trigger because I know myself. I'm very fickle-minded, I'm very indecisive, that's the Pisces in me, so I just never did it. But yesterday I woke up and I was like, I'm gonna cut my hair. Yup, that's how I'm gonna celebrate the last few days of the decade. I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna cut my hair. So ta-da, here we are. Got my scissors, got my little pair thingies. I'm ready. I watched some tutorials on YouTube and I think I'm good. I think I'm ready, to be honest. I'm really giggly because I am not a professional hair cutter person. So if this goes bad, then I have no one else to blame but myself. Here we go. Let's just do it. And like I mentioned to you guys earlier, I'm no professional, so I don't have the proper tools. I just have whatever I have at home. So I do know I'm supposed to create some sort of like rectangular or no, triangle situation here. So first, I guess I'm going to part, I don't know. I'm also not trying to like do blunt bangs. I'm trying to go for like, you know, long bangs. That's like the vibe I'm going for here. So I'm really hoping I achieve that because I should really have like my mom supervise me when I'm doing this. Oh my god, I don't know if that's even. Here we go, I guess. I don't know. I'm so scared. Whew. Okay, here we go. It's just hair, it's just hair, it's just hair. It'll grow back. Oh, just go, Lord, just go. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Ah! 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 Oh my god. I can't. Okay. Okay. I actually asked you guys last night if I should get bangs, and a lot of you said to do it, but get it done professionally, and here I am, not getting it done professionally. Now I'm gonna cut it upwards because that's what I learned from YouTube University. Nakakaduling. What is that in English? Nakakaduling. Let me know in the comment section what that translates to, but nakakaduling kasi I'm like looking right. I don't like it. Oh, this is definitely tedious work because I feel like it's not at the length I want it to be, but also at the same time I don't want to like bluntly cut it like this because I know for a fact I'm just gonna end up playing myself and cut too short, so I have to keep cutting upwards. But this is so freaking hard kasi naduduling ako. Hey Siri, what's the English word for the Tagalog word duling?
I can't translate from Tagalog yet. Sorry about that.
Bakit? Okay, so I'm gonna stop here for now, and I'm gonna go ahead and take these side pieces right here and start framing my face. Because these parts right here are also just as important to me as like these little babies right here. Hold please, I'm gonna watch my YouTube University teacher and see what she does to frame the sides of her face. I'm gonna leave the link below. If you're also inspired to cut your hair at home, I'm gonna leave this video in the description box. All right, so here we go. Wait a minute, I just realized, how am I supposed to cut this when I'm right-handed? Instructions unclear. Currently bald. Okay, let me go ahead and do this side first since I'm right-handed. This will be a lot easier for me to manage. Like this. Oh my god.
A few moments later.
Alright you guys, are we ready for the reveal in 3, 2, 1. Here it is, you guys. Here is the finished look, and honestly, I don't even recognize myself. Like, who is that person right there? Who you? I'm not gonna lie, I killed this. I am going to give myself a pat on the back, round of applause, because I think I did a pretty good job cutting my bangs, and I'm not mad. I'm really not mad about this. I am really loving this. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I mean, we'll see how long I end up loving this. I don't know, a week from now I could change my mind and completely hate this, but right now this is a vibe right here. This is pretty cute. Also, it's like still pretty long enough where I can, like, you know, scoot it to the side. Who am I right now? I haven't tried putting my hair up. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, I'm really loving this. This is another vibe right here. This makes me very happy. Wow, I freaking love this for me. If you've made it this far into this video, if you're still watching this video, thank you for watching this random ass video of me cutting my bangs. And I actually was planning on filming another video. I was gonna film my annual what I got for Christmas video, but I woke up today and I was like, I'm just gonna film myself cutting my hair. So I know Christmas is over and it's about to be 2020 in a few days, but if you guys still want me to film my annual what I got for Christmas video, definitely let me know down in the comment section below, because I will absolutely still do that for you guys if you want me to. But yeah, okay, love you guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah. Mwah.